too fast. It's too fast. Whoa! Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Hobby Hideaway. We're going to try these mini four-wheel drives again. And this day, we're doing box stock. So I have my 050 Gazoo Racing. This is an MA chassis, so this one's the mid motor. I'm going to keep this one on the box stock class. And I raced this one previously. But the new thing I'm going to try is BMAX. So I've used this starter kit, which got me some of the parts that I needed to start building out a BMAX kit. It gives you the wider plates for the additional rollers and additional weights. This is what I've built out for a BMAX, untested. This one's an FMA front motor chassis, and added on some additional weights front and rear, added on the additional upgraded wheels and tires. These are the ultra hard spec wheels. Look at the offset difference of the rear wheel versus the front wheel. It really does give it a wedge look, which is cool. These super hard 2023 edition Japan Cup tires, as opposed to box stock. Everything's very inboard, right? Look at the wheelbase difference. This one's box stock versus this one is my BMAX build. Different chassis, but wheelbases are all pretty close to the same. But look at the difference. Yeah, this is the advantage of having weights. See the minimal bounce back and the weights spring up versus a box stock car. The box stock car has all that bounce. That's the difference in going to a BMAX class where you get the weights. Pretty cool. Still learning, still tuning. I only have one rear brake right now. We're learning how that works. I'm going to do a test run now. First little practice run with BMAX with the this is an FMA chassis with the mock frame, the upgraded ultra hard wheels and tires, a weight kit, the FMA widening, and a rear brake. And I have an Ultra Dash 3 motor installed. So and the batteries are EDL 2500. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to start on lane 3 because lane 1 has a jump immediately off the start of it. So we're going to see if we can get around a couple times to get there first. Here we go. First try. This is looking decent. Oh, almost flew off there. Here's the jump. Oh, big crash off the jump. All right, I crashed off the big jump here. And you come off that and then you have a big bounce on the downslope, and I crashed out. So yeah, we'll have to figure out how to tune for that. I don't know what to do, but except for that, it got around fine. So we'll see how we do today at this race. All right, tuning for the BMAX. I have now added a front brake thanks to the help of John. He showed me how to add the spacer, countersunk this FRP plate, which allowed me to add a front brake. So we're going to try it now on track, see how it goes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. All right, added front brake, see how it goes. Oh, I almost crashed. Hey, this looks good. Woo! Oh, crap. Just revised the brake a little bit, shortened it up, made it thicker. Gonna see how this works out. New front brake test. Big jump. So far, so good. Completed a run. All right, made it. That's good. So far, I have successfully been able to get my BMAX around one full circuit of the course after some tuning. So we adjusted where the front weights are. I also added a front brake. Countersunk the holes with stainless steel countersunk screws. So I did buy a new screw kit. So far this is the only part that I bought today. That just allowed me to get a nice flush fit on this front braking part so you don't scratch up the track. I didn't really do too much other tuning to it. Changing those front weights does mean that I can never run this bull body on that anymore because the weights interfere, but the mock frame is more competitive anyway. So far the box stocks are not able to make the big jump, the gap jump, so I think he's going to revise that for the box stock class. But other than that, I think I've pretty much got everything to where I needed to be to start the race today. We're about to finally get started here. I also removed the jump. They went for a kink because the jump was crashing out too much, and they removed the kink in here because after the jump, landing in the kink was flipping over too many cars. So they've made the track a little bit easier so the cars aren't crashing out every lap. Box stop.
It's always taking off. Someone forgets to turn it on.
Oh, I got the jump. I got a good start. But I don't have a motor brake in. Look at how slow I am. I think everyone else broke in their motor. Oh, he crashed out. I'm still in. Oh, I'm still in. The slow car. The slow car wins. That's me. Look at how slow it is. That's nice. All right. I made it because everyone else jumped out, so I made it.
It's in here. Two, man.
That motor has not been broken in. That just had one race event on it, and it's breaking in under racing.
It'll get faster.
It will get faster as it goes, yeah. All right, I think this is the loser group going on. Whoa! The Denso flipped over on the same spot every time.
I just gotta win.
The Supra. Let's see the Supra go. Oh, that was close. Man, the Supra's fast. Whoa, that was close too. All right, Supra completes it. That was close though. Here's all the cars for box stock class. We got an FMA Mach, MA Denso. Not sure what chassis this one is, but that's an FMA as well. The copper Supra, the old, and my
box stock.
Yeah. Oh, one more box stock. Right on. And a new spec Aero, which doesn't have the Aero Avante. Yeah. Which is a rear motor. So we got a mix of everything, mid, front, and rear. The wine is someone breaking in a motor on this motor braking station. So yeah. Speed secrets. He's oiling up the bearing and getting that motor broken in. Oh, listen to the, wow. Really ramped up the RPM when she added the oil. Holy cow. I got scared on this. Oh, I jumped lanes. I'm pretty sure I jumped lanes, I think. I think so. No, I think I'm out because I jumped. Yeah, so I skipped out. I'm a loser on that one. All right, so I'll go down to the loser bracket now. I'll probably get one more chance of coming back up, and then we'll see if I can come back. Oh, I made it to the finals in box stock. My car's slow enough; it shouldn't flip out, but we'll see. Whoa, we're all close right now. We're all pretty close. Whoa! I really slowed down on that uphill section. I am lagging behind. Oh! I'm up in the second now. So these final races are 6 laps. First has a commanding lead. We'll see if he stays in. I started in lane 3. I think we're on the 4th lap now. So far so good. The Copper Snake's holding on. Oh, I crashed out! All right, Copper's the winner.
Only one that finished the race.
Right on. So that bumped me up to 2nd. So man, I finished 2nd in box stock because my car was slow.
I want those tires.
Lane. That's great. Nice.
Want to change it?
Oh, perfect. I won the blue brake pads.
I can
That's
change
excellent.
that one to tire.
Our box stock podium winners.
Okay, and you.
All right, now we're getting ready for BMAX. This is the BMAX cars getting set up. There's me with my new build BMAX. This is another new build BMAX. Here's some of the pro level builders BMAXs.
Interesting truck body. I've never seen this one before. That's pretty neat. You can get some really cool bodies out of Japan.
First race of the BMAX. Here we go. Alright, first race of BMAX. Just holding on. I'm far behind, but holding on. I'm staying on track, but I'm losing by a lot. Wow, that car's fast. That thing is monstrously fast. I lost. This car is blisteringly fast. Is that from like motor break-in and all your tuning that you do on them?
Because of the rulers.
The plastic slows it down a lot,
yeah.
eh? Interesting how much
change
he warned me about that before. I was like, I want to try it anyway. I just want to like build my way up. But yeah, it's interesting that he's saying my car's so much slower because it's got plastic rollers. These BMAXs are flying. I like seeing them come over the big jump. Alright, so this will be my loser race. It'll be me against the truck against another car with the plastic rollers. The truck is all blinged out with metal and lots of parts, but we'll see how I do. And my last chance, if I lose on this, I'll be out. Starting in lane 1 this time. Here we go. This will be my last chance. Gone with the late start. I'm handily losing already, but I'm against two like pro builders. So I'm staying on track, but my car's not fast enough. Oh, I'm in. I'm still in. All right.
It looks beautiful wiping out though, the spin.
Alright, loser. That was a plastic roller car one, right? Or is it metal?
But it hit the roof and was spinning.
Oh, it is metal.
It
It just looks plastic because they're black.
Winner.
If there's a prize.
I am outdone. But that was a fun little first test on BMAX. It was fun. I do need to put more money into it to make it more competitive. Break in the motor, upgrade the rollers, do a couple other things. But you could see on track how much slower I was than the rest of the field. But it's interesting. I'm learning. It's a fun new little hobby. All right, guys. So I'll show you podium winners in the end. And that was it for my racing for today. And the finals on BMAX now.
Can you? Okay, BMAX final, 6 laps. You wanna... Ready? 3.
Oh, one's there already. Whoa, whoa, right off.
Re-race?
Is everyone out? That's a re-race now. Everyone flew out. Battery change was not necessary. They all flew out.
But 6 laps again. BMAX final, 6 laps.
There's only one left. Oh, he's got to finish the 6th lap. He's the only one remaining. Where is he? Oh. Oh.
What is happening? I hate falling out of the track, but I like when everyone falls out of the track. Because then it's like, oh, dang, you don't have to restart. And I don't mean that in a...
BMAX Finals take 3. Looking good. All right.
It doesn't matter. Like every race, every round, Look, car, change color. There you go.
Baby.
BMAX winners.
We should all shrink ourselves here.
That's good.
Congrats, guys. Thank you very much to all the organizers.
Thank you.
Great, fun day. Yeah, fun day. Appreciate it, thank you. All right, that's my race day here at Hobby Hideaway. If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're not here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Screw you.
Yeah.